Welcome to current affairs related to banking. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, launches 100 days campaign to settle unclaimed deposit. What is unclaimed deposit? A deposit which is not claimed by the depositors. This campaign begins June 1st, 2023. Please understand unclaimed deposit means a balances in savings or current account that has not been operated. That means these accounts are gone into dormant for 10 years or more. Or the term deposit, that means term deposit means fixed deposit that have not been claimed within 10 years from the date of maturity. Please understand, from the date of maturity it should be in 10 years. For example, a deposit matures in 3 years. From the third year, end of third year to 10 years, if they are not claiming it, it will claimed as, or it called as unclaimed deposit. Bank transfer these amounts to Depositors Education and Awareness Fund maintained by Reserve Bank of India. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned with us for more updates in Nesto Institute current affairs related to banking. Thank you so much.